Welcome students. We are going to start a new chapter in economics, that is parameters or indicators of development. In the previous video I had read economic growth and economic development. Okay, in this video we will talk about indicators of development. Okay, how we compare development. So development compare on the basis of indicators, parameters of development. There are two main indicator of economic development. One is income based, that is per capita income index, and दूसरा is HDI, human development index. Okay, we will talk about real per capita income index in detail first. Per capita income index, the most widely used index of development is increase in real per capita income over a long period of time. Increase in gross national product or GDP is obviously paramount interest. It is measure of level of economic activity and the economic size of a country. Since our interest is development arise from for our desire of improvement standard of living, welfare of population, and naturally think output per head of population. So per capita income is the income earned per person in a given area. It may be a city, a region, or a country in a specific year. So per capita income basically is calculated by the dividing by the area's total population, area's total income by its total population. Per capita income is calculated by dividing the area's total income by its total population. So if a country, a city, a region having higher real per capita income is the index of higher level of economic development, and the lower per capita income is the index of lower level of economic development. So basically division of global economy into developed and developing, the division of global economy into developed and developing countries is based on the per capita income. Okay, second one is human development index, HDI. It was first time 1990s. It was first time 1990s human development report uh, published by United Nations Development Program, UNDP. Since then, the UNDP has publishing human development report every year, each and every year. Since then, UNDP has published human development report every year. This report compares countries based on education level, health status, and per capita income. A ranking list is prepared by a company. These things, education level, health status, and per capita income, is the same list is called human development index. So basically the human development index, HDI, is a statistical tools used to measure a country's overall achievement in the social and economic dimensions. Okay.